Welcome back. You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 with the scores. Reading, Naggo on 21. That's Naggo Head on 21 points and Ardenne on 14 points. Now it's time for the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. First one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after they've been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. So teams, let's begin with local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person. That's Audrey Sewell, Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister. Sports. Complete the name of this Caribbean cricket team. The Trinbago. That's Naggo Head.
Night Riders.
Correct. Bible knowledge. The death of Uriah, husband of Bathsheba, was arranged by which person? That's Naggo Head.
King David.
Correct. Science. What is the smallest unit of human life? Naggo Head.
Cell.
That's correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word vex. Naggo Head.
Vexatious.
Judges? It's actually vexatious or vexing, so that's incorrect. Music. Is Beethoven famous for pop music, classical music, or? That's Naggo Head.
Classical.
That's correct. General knowledge. What is the capital and largest city of Catalonia in Spain? That's Naggo Head.
Barcelona.
Correct. Television. This is a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify the person. Naggo Head.
Chris Tucker.
American comedian and actor. That's correct. Mathematics. The product of two numbers is 133. If one of the numbers is 19, that's Naggo Head.
7.
The other is 7. That's correct. Social studies. What is the name for an instrument used for navigation and orientation? That's Ardenne.
Compass.
Ardenne answered correctly, but Naggo Head, you're going to lose 2 points for answering as well. Please listen out for your name for identification. Television. In which animated TV show does the character Barney Gumble appear? That's The Simpsons. Sports teams, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Naggo Head.
Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton.
Formula 1 driver, that's correct. Bible knowledge. Which prophet was taken up to heaven in a chariot of fire? That's Ardenne.
Elijah.
Correct. Science. To which Caribbean food group does a dry coconut, that's Naggo Head,
Fats and oils. Fats and oils.
belong? That's correct. English language. By using the word weather, give an idiom which means to be sick.
To be under the weather. To be under the weather.
That's correct. Music. In the children's song, what exactly climbed up the water spout? Naggo Head.
Itsy spider. The itsy bitsy spider.
That's correct. General knowledge. On which continent can you find the Naggo Head?
Africa.
Namib Desert, that's correct. Jamaican affairs. The Jamaican people make a side dish of cassava with a pinch of salt and coconut milk. It is formed into the shape of a pancake and then, Naggo Head?
Bami.
Deep fried, that is bami, of course. That's correct. Mathematics. What is the sum of 54.77 and 8.45? Naggo Head?
70.
And the bell beat you to it. 63.22 is the answer. Social studies. CARICOM was first established with 4 countries. Jamaica and Trinidad Tobago are 2 of them. What were the other 2? That's Naggo Head.
Barbados and Guyana.
That's correct. We move on to Bible knowledge. How old was... That's the bell. Signaling the end of the match with Naggo Head Primary on 43, Ardenne Prep on 18. So we say congratulations to Naggo Head and well tried by Ardenne Prep. We go for a break, and when we come back, we wrap things up. Please stay with us.